Alright, so this was supposed to be like a get ready with me type of video, but it like slowly started becoming a tutorial, but then it stopped becoming a tutorial, but then it went back to becoming a tutorial. So just bear with me. But pretty much this is my summer foundation routine, sweatproof / heat proof type of makeup. I did use a lot of drugstore products for the base. I do have oily skin in my T-zone, and like the rest of me is pretty dry, but the foundation I use in this video does not make me look cakey at all, and it does not make me look all cracky and crusty. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then yeah, just keep on watching. I have such an egg head, like an egg shaped head, so I wanted to make this video more of like a get ready with me instead of like a tutorial, if that makes sense, which it does make sense. Why am I asking? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Today we're getting ready to go grocery shopping. My son ran out of his little snacks, fruit gummies and his cookies and his fucking Capri Sun. So that's what I'll be doing today. We're gonna be going grocery shopping, so that's what I'm getting ready for. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by doing my brows, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just prime my face and everything. And my lips are kind of dry, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so this is the Essence lip gloss. This shit is so good. I picked this up a few days ago. I was just on the hunt for a clear lip gloss, and I saw this one at Ulta, so I picked it up because I think it was like buy one get one 50% off, and my dumbass forgot to get the other one, which bummer, because this was only like $3. I didn't really even check out their shades. I just saw the clear one and I went for it. So I don't know how like the colored ones work, like if their formula is good, but this one is bomb. It looks like this. It's like in a little chubby package. It makes your lips look super glossy, like obviously because it's a lip gloss, but there's some lip glosses that just feel super sticky, and I don't know, they like wear off very easily. And this one, I feel like, I don't know if it wears off easily. I haven't really paid attention to that because I always reapply my lip glosses anyway, so I don't really care about that. But the fact that it's not sticky, like when I apply a lot of it, I really like that, because I hate sticky lip glosses. Like I just hate the feeling of it. So I'm gonna put some music on. So I was listening to like the throwback playlist on Spotify, and let me turn it on. Okay, so this CoverGirl brow pencil is like $8, and it's really, really good. I actually got this sent to me by CoverGirl, but I've purchased this like twice already after they sent it to me, because it's so good and it's inexpensive. So easy to do your brows with. You don't have to like take so much time and be so precise. At least I don't, because I don't really take time on my eyebrows anyway, but I just feel like this is really easy to throw on, especially if you're in a hurry, just trying to get out your house, get out. Right now I'm dealing with a pretty bad cough, and I was coughing all night and I couldn't even fall asleep, so it was pretty fucking annoying because I would cough, I'd wake up the baby, and I'm like, fuck. So I ended up like going to the couch and falling asleep because I couldn't stop coughing, and I couldn't stop waking up the baby, so it sucked because I wasn't trying to stay up all night. Like, bitch, I'm trying to sleep too. I've missed filming so much. I feel like I've let my channel just like die. Like, I've just not been taking care of it like I'm supposed to, and it is kind of frustrating, but at the same time, it's not like I just like stopped filming and I'm just like, you know what, fuck my channel. Like, no, it's not that. It's, if you guys keep up with me, you guys understand and know what's been going on with me. Also, I've been focusing on myself a little bit more. So I've been, you know, like watching what I eat. I've been exercising. I've been losing weight. You know, we'll see how this ends up. We'll see how much way I actually lose. And you know, soon hopefully you guys will start to see the difference in my face. I mean, I don't really want to like post any pictures right now or like really talk about it because I'm kind of still like embarrassed. Like I'm like, bitch, you're fat. Like don't put yourself out there like that. Like no. But for sure when I lose like 40 pounds, I think, like when it's something that you can actually see the difference, then I'll post a video and I'll talk about all of my like workout routine, my eating and all of that.
I said whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
You guys, I've been wanting to get more piercings on my ears. I've been wanting to get my tragus pierced. That's the little one that goes right here. I think that's gonna be my next piercing. And then I want to get like 2 right here. And then I want to get my rook pierced, which rook piercing is this one right here. I'm kind of scared because I'm a fucking pussy. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of scared for that one. It kind of feels like it's gonna hurt. But then again, I was like scared to get my septum pierced because of the videos that I had watched and they were just scaring me. But honestly, like this is probably the most painless piercing I've ever had. Like when I got my lips pierced, those fucking hurt. Like I had this side pierced twice and like I literally wanted to cry both times. And same with this one. I got this one done when I was like 12 and I still have that little scar there. I feel like my lips are a very sensitive area for me. That's why I would never get lip injections because I'm just a fucking pussy. Like, no. If your skin is really, really dry and you want your skin to look glowy but not greasy or anything like that, I would recommend the Milani Prime Light Primer. I talk about this shit all the time. You know, your skin won't look thirsty anymore. Okay, you guys, so I recently picked this foundation up because if you guys watch my videos, you guys know I love the Wet n Wild, what is it called?
3 hours later.
The Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, but the shade that I would use was like too orangey for me, but like the undertone, like how do I explain it? Like the undertone was right, but the shade was a little bit too dark for me, so I feel like it would dry down like kind of orangey. But like every time I'd go to the store or try to pick up another foundation, they didn't have my shade, so I was just like, okay, I'll just buy this one because it seems to work out pretty well. But then I was at Ulta the other day and I picked this one up. It was like buy one get one half off, so I picked up 2 and I wasn't sure what shade I should get, and I picked up medium beige and beige. And medium beige is more of like that orangey type of color, like it just dries down a little orange, and this one's more my color. This is beige. And when I first swatched it, I was like, fuck, like I didn't get any of my color. But then I decided to put it on my face and it was like completely different. It looked really good. It dries down really, really matte, which I don't mind, especially because I used this primer underneath. This primer and this foundation go well. That go well together. And I know I look like a ghost right now, but it actually dries down and gets darker, like it oxidizes, so I won't look like a motherfucking bolillo that's not baked yet. I was watching Karen. I look so white on camera. Oh my god, I cannot take myself serious right now. I look so freaking white on camera. Oh my gosh. I used to use the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, but that shit would dry down hella yellow. Like I look like a motherfucking banana. A lot of the times I have to mix 2 foundations to sort of get my color. But even then, it's not like, not even the fucking Fenty by Rihanna. I've tried to find my color and like they're either too orange or too fucking yellow or too pink, and it's like, bitch, like can somebody just make a fucking foundation for me because I can never find my shade. So I have to constantly be buying like 2 of each to mix them and get my perfect color, and it's frustrating. And even my hand is way darker than like my chest and my arm, and my legs are like white. For concealer, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. This is the one that was a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I actually really like it. I feel like it's not as drying as a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but honestly I really like the Shape Tape for that. Sometimes I don't want to set my concealer And with that concealer, it's perfectly fine if I don't set it. I have C6 and C7. C7 is more of like just for when I just want to do my makeup, nothing dramatic. And like C6 is for when I want a little bit more of a dramatic highlight. I hope your guys' summer is going great so far. Comment down below what you guys have like plans on doing this summer, like traveling, or like is there like a certain place you guys want to go visit, or like a certain thing you want to do, like a goal that you have. Like, I hella fuck with this foundation. What the fuck? Have you guys watched On My Block yet? You guys should definitely watch it if you haven't watched it. That show is, it's funny. It's like, honestly, like the first episode when I watched it, I was like, it's kind of lame. I sat through the first episode and I'm like, no, you know, it was kind of cool, I guess. I watched the second one, and then you kind of start to get to know the characters a little bit, and you kind of get into like the whole like plot and like what's going on, and you're like, oh, okay, let me keep watching. I don't know, like I feel like by the third episode I was just like, okay, I'm watching this whole fucking season. I turned on the fan because it's pretty hot in here. I literally just realized that my son's gonna be entering kindergarten soon, but I'm just like, holy fuck, like I remember my first day of kindergarten. Like, it's just crazy that it's just like, you know, the cycle is repeating, and I feel like sometimes it just really hits me. Like, I don't know, I probably sound so stupid right now, but if you're a mom and you understand what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm saying. So I'm just baking my face. I'm using the Maybelline, where the fuck is it? I'm using the Maybelline powder. Hi. He's so big now. Oh my god, boogers. Okay, so you know how I always use the butter bronzer? Well, look at this, you guys. It's all fucking shattered. It's shattered. It's dead. Like, rest in peace, bitch.
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
I need to go get another one. I've been needing to get another one for like the longest time. I went to Ulta and they were $15. I was like, bitch, I'm not spending $15 on you. I saw you the other day at the store. You was only $8 over there, so it's definitely worth it. I didn't want to spend the $15 because I had seen it for like $8 at, I think it was Walmart. So I like to take my bronzer like way up here because my bitch ass got an egg head. I feel like when I bronze the sides of my face, it kind of like slims it down a little bit, which of course that's what I want. I don't want fucking eggs sitting on my shoulders. And always bronze your double chin. I mean, not your double chin, but your chin. I have a double chin, so I always bronze it because it just helps with making it look a little bit more snatched and like it's not there, non-existent. Who is she? Right now I want to move on to my eyes because I feel like I look like I'm fucking like, I don't know, I feel like my eyes are just not there. Like, it's just all face. You know that Instagram filter that just like, it makes like your eyes and your mouth and your nose fall off? Like, that's how I feel right now, and I don't like it. But lately I've been more into like the more natural but still fluffy type of lash. I definitely feel like these are my favorite ones right now. Yes. I'm just waiting for my eyelash glue to dry. Yeah. Okay, you guys, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, these eyelashes, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. These eyelashes are like natural, but they are like fluffy and like kind of dramatic at the same time. So that's what I've been loving about these eyelashes. I love the style of lashes. Like, she's bomb. She really is that bitch. Oh my goodness. You know when you let your eyelash glue just over dry a little bit and they just don't want to stick anymore? That's what's going on with me right now. So while my eyelash is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lipstick. No, not my lipstick, my fucking highlight. For highlight, I've been obsessed with the Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. I just feel like it looks really nice on my skin tone. It's not too gold. There's some highlighters that are just too fucking gold for me. I've been trying to just find like the perfect highlighter, and this is honestly it. That is why I've hit pan. I actually hit pan a little while ago, but I stopped wearing it because I didn't want to go through it so quickly since it was limited edition. I did not buy a backup. But if any of y'all have this highlighter and don't like it and you want to sell it to me, send it my way, homegirl. I'll take it. So for lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Truffle. And I'm just going to be overdrawing my lips just a little bit. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Okay, so for lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop Autocorrect liquid lipstick. I don't know if they still sell this on the website, but something that is similarly close to this is the CoverGirl liquid lipstick in the color Cakewalk. This is like $8 and the formula is really good, really comfortable, long wearing. The color is pretty similar to the ColourPop one. It's like a peachy nude, like. And with like peachy nudes, I like to go in with a darker lip liner just to kind of contour the lips and make them look a little bit fuller. So to lock my makeup all in place, I use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is very affordable as well. And what I like to do is I take my beauty blender and I just like lightly press that in. I don't know why. It makes me feel like I'm just like making sure that it's all pressed onto the skin and like the setting spray is not just sitting on my skin. So that is going to be all for today's video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.